Guys, it's me, Chief, and your upline Padman Senatiraja on the 8th video, that means 8 weeks after VCon, all right, 2 months. And this is the 8th video. As I promised you, I'll do a follow-up video after VCon for 8 weeks. So this is the final VCon follow-up video. Don't worry, there's going to be much more videos coming from me on VTube Plus, on your virtual office, all right. Now, VCon 2 months ago, we had the greatest event ever. And I've been talking to a lot of you on WhatsApp, on BBM, on my Facebook, all right? And I've been getting so much feedback. And there's one thing which I want to leave you with, a message. That ultimately, when all of you came to VCon, all right, all of your belief levels were at different levels. Some of you were at 50%, 70%, 80%, 90%. Some of you came there and you have never left your country. You've never been on an aeroplane, all right? You only saw QNet on the net or on the catalogs or on the products you ordered. You only heard stories about the V partners and the founders from your uplines or watched them on DVD or VTube Plus. And you came there and it was a magnificent, emotional roller coaster, all right? You came on day one, you didn't know what to expect. You saw me on day one setting down the expectations, all right, leveling of expectations and agreements. But ultimately, it was 5 days. 5 days, which I believe was the greatest 5 days of all your lives. That you sat there, you experienced everything from the wisdom of the V partners, from the energy and passion of the crowd, from the V corporate family who were there to give you support and merchandise and VTube Plus and everything else. But most importantly, you were there. And that alone stands for something. That you are one of the few out of thousands of people who experience VCon. You heard about it, you watched it on videos, but you were there and you experienced it. And to all of you, the magic happened. There was a click. You can't explain it. You can't describe it. You yourself may not be able to understand it. But a click happened. A click that made your belief go from wherever it was and raise the bar higher all the way to 100%. That now you are a believer. You are a believer in the industry. You are a believer in QNet as a network marketing company. You are a believer, all right, in the founders, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwan and Japadas Bismarck. You believe today. Now that belief that you got from VCon carried you for 8 weeks. Plus the videos, support from your uplines and V ambassadors. It carried you. Made you into a powerful person. Made you into an unbelievable networker. All right, your BV started to come in. All right, your checks started to go up. The energy of your organization started to rock and roll. Now, after 8 weeks, it is time for you to transfer that belief. Because your downlines are either going to come to VCon this September, all right, in the Middle East, or next year in Malaysia. Now, that belief that you have carried for 8 weeks must not go down. It must actually become stronger. All right, that passion and belief inside of you must actually become stronger. And now it's time for you to transfer that belief. Transfer that belief to the people around you so they understand, so they feel what you felt and what you feel right now after coming to VCon Malaysia, Rhythm Nation. Now, people ask me all the time, Padman, how do I transfer that belief? All right, now you watch my videos all the time, okay? First reason, because I'm gorgeous, all right, and you want to see my face. Second reason, because I'm your upline, all right, and you want to learn and experience and feel the passion. Now, I transfer my belief to you through this camera, through the web, through VTube Plus. Now, you are there physically with that person, with your downlines, with your inner circle, with your group. You must be able to transfer the belief. Now, belief is transferred by action, by words, by your behavior, by your attitude, by the way you walk, the way you sit, how you edify the V and the founders. All right? Belief is transferred by you achieving success. All right? By you going out there and doing the activity like presentation. Belief can be transferred by you always being positive and never showing any negativity, all right, to your downlines. Now, you are that belief. Today, you are a product of VCon. You are the product of the teachings of Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. Now, you must become the center, the nucleus of energy, passion, belief to everyone around you. And that is your duty as a VCon participant. That is your duty to carry VCon in your heart to every corner of your network, to every corner of your country, to every corner of the world. All right? A lot of people ask me, Chief, how come you always switched on? I am, because I believe. I believe in what I do. I'm a product of VCon, the first VCon where I was partly a student. All right, then I became in service automatically. All right, my belief is what carries me every day. I believe in what I do. I believe that I'm doing the right thing. I believe that I have this God-given opportunity called QNet that allows me to go out there and change lives, to help people become financially free, to help people become better mothers, better fathers, better sons, better daughters, better brothers, sisters, better members of the community. Now somebody asked me once, so you're a networker? I said, no, I'm a freedom fighter. I fight for the freedom in the sense of financial freedom every single day. I am a warrior. Now your belief must never get smaller. Your belief must get bigger and stronger every day. And remember this. All right? When you feel weak, when you feel down, when you have a tough day and you get rejected after doing presentation, I want you to remember your dream. Remember that reason which you and I found together at VCon Malaysia, Rhythm Nation. We spent 2 hours finding your dream. That one reason that is so valuable, so important to you that you hold it tight, all right, that will never slow you down. And with that dream and with the belief you got from VCon and the great uplines and systems that you have, now it's time to spread the fire all over the world. Now QNet will become the #1 network marketing company in the world. I promise you that. I'm not going to sleep. I'm not going to slow down. I'm not going to rest until I achieve that dream for Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran and Japadas Bismarck. But I cannot do it alone. I need you. And today, we are brothers. All right? We are family. Okay? Because we are all products of VCon. The fact that you experience 5 unbelievable, magical days means that you are ready to conquer the world, that you are ready to raise the bar higher. Don't sell yourself short. You have great potential. You watching this video right now, you are a product of VCon. You have great potential. You can conquer the world. You just have to believe and you have to remember your dream, and you got to remember the most important activities in network marketing is presentation. And if you just consistently remember that, consistently be a warrior, you will become the most successful networker we have ever seen in our industry. Now this year, 2013, guys, we have 6 months left in the year and we have choices to make. We have decisions to make. We have to decide whether we're going to slow down or we're going to move faster. We got to decide whether we're going to listen to the world or the world must listen to us. All right? You got to make those decisions. And you got to stand firm with your decisions. And never allow the dream stealers of the world to take that away from you. Now I want you to remember this face. Remember this voice. remember this passion, that you are not alone, that my VCon brothers and sisters, every step you take, we have those 5 days together. All right? We have that 5 days of experience, learning, knowledge, passion, belief, and heart. All right? And that's unique. No one else is going to have it except the VCon participants. All right? So VCon Malaysia 2013, my brothers and sisters, I believe it has changed your life. I believe that it has helped you make big decisions with regards to your journey to financial freedom through QNet and the V. Now is not the time to slow down. Now it is not the time to be distracted by the challenges that will always be there in our journey. Now it's time to grow stronger, become bigger, raise the bar higher, all right, and be a warrior of the V. Now, 6 months of 2013, the remaining 6 months of 2013, as your upline and chief, I am truly going to raise the bar higher. We got so much planned out. We got so many things that we're going to do. We got unbelievable activities, events all around the world. The Raise the Bar Higher World Tour, VTube Plus, which will be your upline 24 hours a day on your smartphone or your iPad or your tablet. All right? Guys, we'll be coming to a country near you the next 2 months. And then we have VCon Middle East, which is going to be an unbelievable experience. And you can come again for your second VCon. All right? If you want to raise the bar higher, come for the second VCon. It'll be announced by next week. Where, when, how. But all I can promise you, it'll be a whole brand new experience. Now, to all of you out there, it's been an honor and a privilege for me to record these 8 videos as your chief and upline to remind you of the magic that you experience at VCon. As much as I believe you have learned and experienced so much those 5 days, I believe I have learned much more. I was humbled by the love that all of you showed. I was humbled by sharing the stage with the great ones, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran and Japadas Bismarck, my uplines and mentors. But most importantly, I'm proud of all of you, that you went through a magical 5 days with us and now you're truly raising the bar higher. So this week, you're watching this video on Wednesday, and I put up some challenges for you guys to achieve Thursday and Friday. Let's make this Thursday and this Friday the most unbelievable 2 days in your journey of 2013. So as your chief, as your friend, and as your brother, on behalf of my V family here in Malaysia, Philippines, India, all right, and all over the world, I want to say thank you for giving us the greatest 5 days of our lives, VCon Malaysia 2013 Rhythm Nation. I love you guys, and let's raise the bar higher.